Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you children? I hope everyone is doing well. So after a long vacation, I welcomes you to our science subject. Here myself Azmat Anisa Begum welcomes you to our science subject. Hope you children is doing well. So all of you pay your attention and concentration on my video. Okay? So I am here to deal with your science subject. So, what is meant by science? Science is nothing but a subject that deals with plants, animals, human beings, and parts of a plant, parts of a animal, parts of a human being, and living things and non-living things. So, children, what is meant by living things? First, we can learn this. Living things. Living things nothing but which can move from place to place. Understood? Which can move from place to place. Example: we are human beings. We are having lives. We are having the ability to move from place to place, right? Compared to a book, can book move from place to place, children? No. Why? Because it does not have any legs to move, right, children? So in this way we are having some living things and non-living things. So in the living things we come under in the living things, the which can move from place to place, and non-living things like bed, table, pen, book, which cannot move from place to place. So children, science subject is nothing but it is very interesting subject. So all should pay your attention. Okay. So let's start our science subject. I think in previous class you have learned about science. So here we have learned some more information regarding science subject. So children, you are having body parts. Yes, everyone having body parts, no? You are having eyes, nose, ears, hands, legs. With the eyes, what we can do, children? With the help of eyes, we can what? So, children, here are our body parts. So, first we will learn about the body parts. Can you see everyone? Yeah, this is nothing but a body parts of a body. Head. This is a head. Hair. Nose. Ear. Mouth. Arm. Elbow. Hand. Knee. Leg. Feet. Does everyone having these all body parts? Yes? Okay, very good. So children, what with the help of head, hair, nose, let us know the functions of these parts. Okay children, these are nothing but our body parts. Okay. So with the help of eyes, what we can do? We can see. You can watch cartoons, no? In your mama's phone, you can see, no? Cartoons, I think everyone is watching. And you can watch our online videos also. With the help of what, children? Yes, with the help of eyes. And with the help of ears, we can listen. How we can listen, children? With the help of these ears. And you will eat your food, your snacks, your chips, lays, kurkure. Yes. With the help of what you are eating? With the help of ear? No. Yes. With the help of our mouth. With the help of our mouth, we are eating our snacks and our food. And nose. What is the function of nose, children? With the help of nose, what we can do? Yes, with the help of nose, we can breathe. We can breathe. Yes. This is nothing but arm, elbow. Elbow is nothing but with the what is the function of elbow means we can move our hands. We can move our hands up and down. With hand we can eat. Yes, we are having mouth. Very nice. But with what we are eating, children? With hand. Yes, we are eating with our hand. So we are necessary. These all parts are necessary to us. So knee, leg, and feet. See, children, you can walk, you can run, you can play games. Yes, with the help of what you are doing this all? Very good. With the help of our legs. You can wear your shoes, sandals, etc. Where you are wearing? In hands? No, wrong. We are wearing in our feet. So these all body parts are necessary to our human body. Okay children, in science subject in further we are going to read about plants and animals also. But first we are reading our body parts. Okay children, see here we are having sense organ. What you are having, children? Sense organ. Okay. The eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin are 5 sense organs. I repeat once again, children, you have to repeat with me. Okay, everyone repeat with me. Our sense organs are the eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin are our 5 sense organ. Eyes helps us to see. What we can see? We can see cartoons. Yes, children. Motu Patlu, Doraemon. Yes, with the help of what we can see? Eyes. Ears. We can hear. With the help of the ears, what we can do? We can hear. Nose. We can smell and we can breathe. With the help of tongue. With the help of what, children? Tongue we can taste. We can taste about food. Skin. Skin, with the help of skin we can feel. If anybody pinches you, if anybody beats you, what you people do? You people start crying. Why? Because we feel that it pains. So with the help of these 5 sense organs, we can do our different functions. These are the sense organs which have their different functions. Okay, children. So our introduction of our science subject is nothing but parts of our body parts. So in the next class I am going to ask our sense organs. How many sense organs we are have, children? We are having 5 sense organs. Repeat once again, everyone. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. So how many sense organs we are having, children? 5. Hope you children understand, and if you are having any doubt, I will be clearing in your online class. Okay? Hope you enjoyed this. Thank you. In the next further class, we are going to learn the next details. Okay? Thank you, children.